welcome back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making these delicious raspberry tortillas, perfect for a healthy breakfast. You will need 50 grams of low-fat cream cheese and 75 grams of fresh raspberries and also 2 tortillas. Let's get started. So first we need to mash the raspberries on a plate. So now that they're all mashed and squashed, now we need to spread them over the surface of 1 tortilla. So now this is all spread over, move this one out of the way slightly, and now cover this other tortilla with cream cheese. So now that this is all spread over, nice and thick, not too thin, otherwise there's not going to be enough. Flip this one over on top of this one and press down lightly. Now that they're pressed down lightly, cut it into halves. So now that they're all cut into quarters, let's see how they taste. Tasty, creamy and delicious. So good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the button here. See you next time. Bye.